Alright, what do we got going on ColdStart Garage this time? No, I'm not electrical channel, but we're gonna build this no power AM radio. I started with making these paper tubes so they could float on this ferrite rod nicely. I'm waiting for them to cure because they're glued. And we're gonna wrap them individually. And we're gonna see if we get AM stations over the radio waves without any external power source. This AM radio kit, you can go to HJW Electronics, usefulcomponents.com. The AM radio kit is found on his website, or you can check the link in my description. I'll bring it right to an Amazon link. This paper is 25 millimeters, and this is 20 millimeters. So we're gonna wrap 50 turns on this and 30 turns on that. Tubes need to be able to float, so we'll figure that out after. capacitor is not polarized. I'm going to try to use this extension cord as an antenna. Clipped right there. I got it hung. I rewrapped it, did all kinds of things. I don't know if you can hear this. So if I ground myself this way, I get a lot of static. But if I ground it right to myself, I don't. Be careful. Be careful of that, because that's hot. Don't ask me how I know. Let's see if you guys can hear this now. I got away. Alright, I'm gonna put the mic right there. Man, if I only had a tripod. So I ran a new ground. Hi Milo. And I just wrapped the wire around my gas line just a little bit. And that seems to have gotten me a few more clear channels, I should say. I do have some static in my array. It runs to the bird feeder, then to that middle tree. Dang it! That middle tree over there. Down. It's way too close to the ground. So I think that's where we're getting static. Yep, I'm just alligator clipped to one of the leads on the extension cord for my array. Now I got to pause. It's one channel. Very quiet. Here's another one. Yeah, I think I need to build a amplifier speaker circuit so I can do more experiments and replace my my fancy antenna. Replace my fancy antenna because I think that's a big issue with the static. It's insulated, it's close to the ground, all that good stuff. Yeah, there's a little bit of crosstalk between the frequency ranges. Yeah, I don't care. This is pretty cool, guys. Pulling amplitudes from the air, running through a couple inductors and some capacitors, and next thing you know, you have speech. I am a novice at this, and I got this thing to work, so work. It doesn't work great, but I think that's because of the limitations of my antenna. This variable capacitor kind of sucks. This diode could probably be replaced with a germanium one and probably have a better response to the frequencies. I'm not an AM radio channel. I'm here to just have fun and do some experiments. Hope you guys enjoyed. There's a video here. And there's a video somewhere over here. Thanks for watching ColdStart Garage. Stay tuned.